How to make a drum. Did you know that you can make a drum? It's fun and easy to do. Just follow the steps in this book. What you will need: an empty cardboard tube, scissors plus an adult to use them, 2 balloons, 2 rubber bands, construction paper, tape, crayons, markers, or paint, 2 pencils with erasers tops. You should have an adult nearby to help you. You will start with a tube made out of cardboard and empty oatmeal box works well. First, take the top off the empty oatmeal box. Have the adult help punch or cut out the bottom. You should now have a tube that is opened at both ends. Next, cover the outside of the drum with construction paper. Use tape to hold the construction paper in place. Then use markers, crayons, or paint to make your drum look the way you want. Use colors and shapes to make your drum look special. Have an adult use the scissors to cut off the small ends of both balloons. stretch one balloon over each end of the tube. Ask the adult to use a rubber band to hold each balloon in place. Now your drum is ready to be played. Use the pencils as drumsticks to make drum sounds. Have fun with your new drum. Go完了。No, do this. No, not that.